guess I moved it around enough where something happened. There's four bolts in here. Unfortunately, I can't move them very quickly. Wish I had my socket set with me, but I don't, so. It's funny, when I came down here, I didn't want to do any of this, but once you start working on a project, it just makes things better. You know, you just start making some headway. Next thing you know, you've got something pulled out. You got the, yeah, having Jenny here is a huge help too. Don't tell her that. She'll get a big head. She's strong too. Kill for my socket set or a ratcheting spanner. There we go. I think I got it. Yeah, now we're into the hot, ridiculous part of this. Like, it's not that bad, but just doing the work makes it suck. Oh. Sorry. Forgot where the camera was. Interesting footage of me grunting and groaning for some inexplicable reason. Oh, well, that worked out actually. The very last one. Oh my goodness. Quite a day. Suspect that Jenny was telling me was that she was going to the dumpster with what was already up there, and I don't think she really heard me when I said I have some more stuff. So as long as she comes back with a dock with a dock cart, we'll be all right. Alrighty. God, that compressor is so heavy. Alright, so there's not much left on the back of the fridge, and I guess that's good. The only question now is, should we try and take the fridge out of the boat today? I have to say, we've just gone past lunchtime. Neither of us have eaten yet, so I know she's hungry. I know I'm hungry. And I've got somebody coming to the house later on in just a couple of hours to fix a crack in the windshield on a vehicle. They're supposed to be there at 8 o'clock this morning. They called to say they wouldn't be there till like 3, which that's kind of a weird business practice or model where you can schedule something for 8 o'clock and show up 7 hours later, but I guess that's what some companies do. So they're gonna be there in about an hour and a half, and frankly it takes us almost an hour to get home. So I think we're gonna wrap this up for right now. I was really hoping to be down here long enough to shoot like 2 or 3 projects because we've been really busy lately. It's actually Monday now. We put videos out on Wednesday, so and we didn't have anything for this week. We've just been absolutely swamped. So we had to come down to the boat, shoot video, try and be consistent, getting the video out every week, like we've said before. So. But really appreciate everybody who's subscribed, watching the videos. If you haven't subscribed yet, definitely helps the channel out if you can subscribe. Watching the videos from beginning to end, that's huge. I'm still sort of learning about YouTube algorithms and things, but watch time, watch hours, those are huge. So you can have 1 million subscribers, but if they don't actually watch the video, it kind of doesn't matter. We do see that, you know, we've got a few subscribers who watch pretty much beginning to end every single video. Huge thanks to you. It makes an enormous difference to the channel. You'll also see we have a Patreon. If you go into the channel details, you can see our Patreon there. It's Roughneck6, same as the channel, same as the Instagram. Oh, sorry, the Instagram is Roughneck6_channel. Somebody had Roughneck6 already. And if you go to roughneck6.com, there's just a picture of the boat there, and then it's got all our links on the bottom so that you can click on them from there and get to them directly if you want to. Patreon's a huge help if you want to subscribe. We haven't quite figured out what you want from Patreon. You know, so if, you know, I don't think we're at the point where anybody really cares to have lunch with us or anything like that. If you want like earlier footage, if you want more footage, if you want some behind the scenes stuff, if you want some question and answer stuff, let us know. You know, you can put it in the comments here, or if you go over and subscribe on Patreon, you can send us a direct message. Let us know the kind of things you're interested in seeing. We're going to keep working on the boat the way that we're doing right now. We're getting into winter time for Florida. It's mid-September now. The weather's cooling off a little bit, thank goodness. So I think this winter we'll have an opportunity to do some more projects in some nice weather. So. But thank you all for everything you do, for watching the videos and hanging with us on this project. I'll catch you on the next one.